on.
Can I talk to you, girl? Can I talk to you, baby? Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Hey y'all, I am finally back with another video. The last video that I posted was the cabin trip to Gatlinburg, and that was at the first of the year. I don't even want to tell y'all what today is because it's just, I'm embarrassed. August 9th. So this vlog is going to be a travel vlog. I'm just doing like just the introduction, just to say hey, to tell y'all I miss recording, I miss posting videos, so now I'm back. But today is Wednesday. We're going out of town on tomorrow. We're going to Puerto Rico tomorrow. Justin's birthday was last Thursday, August 3rd, and then my cousin's birthday is this weekend, so they're both celebrating this weekend, and we're going to Puerto Rico, and we're gonna have a good time. So yeah, she won't be here until about 7:30, which is cool because I still gotta wash and blow dry my hair. But yeah, I just wanted to start the vlog off, tell y'all hey, tell y'all I'm finally back. I finally got my camera back. We're back, y'all. I promise. I still got to figure out what we eating tonight. We still got to pack because we haven't packed absolutely nothing. I still need to go get some toiletry items. So yeah, I'm doing all that today and still got to get my hair braided, which is going to take all night long, Lord. I need a drink. But yeah, I still got to go buy the hair to get my hair braided. Y'all, I'm so behind, it's ridiculous, but we're gonna get it done. We're gonna make it happen. Honestly, I ain't even finna lie, I'm probably gonna pick this camera back up in the morning, either on the way to the airport or once we land in Puerto Rico. I'm probably gonna pick up the camera because that's when the excitement really starts. So yeah, I just wanted to introduce the vlog. Hey y'all, I'm finally back and I'm so excited about this trip. I'm so excited to celebrate Justin's birthday. I'm excited to celebrate my cousin's birthday. I'm excited to just go on vacation. I'm just excited to have some fun, y'all. So yeah, stay tuned. It's about to get real lit because if you know, you know. I'm about to figure out what I'm about to do and then I'll see y'all in the next clip whenever that is.
What's up, y'all? She hungry. Yeah.
Yeah, we finally made it.
It's been a rough morning.
Rough night. I don't know what time I went to sleep, but I'm tired.
Y'all, they canceled one of our flights. And they charged me some money. I'll take this off when I get there, y'all. Yeah, shout out to that girl Riri on the dudes.
You got your bun on.
Oh well. It's my turban. Let me see this sandwich.
Yeah, I'm starving. I'm tired. I'm finna sleep this whole flight. I'm sleeping. So by the time I get there, I'm drinking. But yeah, I just got on here and say we made it to the airport and I'll see y'all later.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, we ain't never gonna say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit, but I hate this. Everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you and you're in the mood for empathy, blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fucked up, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you
it to the Airbnb. It's hot, y'all. I'm about to get my mind right. We stopped at the gas station. We got some liquor, so is it focused? So yeah, y'all, we just made it to the Airbnb finally. Long day of traveling. It's been a lot of mishaps this morning. It's been a rough day, but forget all that. The fun is starting now, so let's go. Setting the hook up, y'all. Trying to figure it out. This is a little different.
He's steady trying to come up with shit.
I'm a hookologist.
You lost your ass.
We finna take a shot, y'all. Hold on. I'm finna take my shot. Yeah, your shot getting smaller and smaller. Oh, it's not bad.
No, it's not. I just gotta put some on my stomach. Give me 2. I like that. That's how I say it. Breakfast.
We cook breakfast tomorrow. So we gotta be ready for 7:30? That's right. So we gotta be ready for 7:30? Yeah. Okay. So breakfast needs to start at
about 5:30.
So it's a weekend of all night. Pretty much. All right.
I'm gonna tell you something. I really love it.
I said the cat. Like that, bro.
Well, come on. You wanna take another?
After getting off that plane. Trent, that was 1.
Trent, that's 1.
Well, you need to stop talking.
Let me get a shot. What's out here?
Yeah, take a shot.
Loose ass do rag.
Tequila. Ooh. I like this song. El Jimador. I think that's what it is. Look.
Get you what you need now. Get you what you need.
I want what you put in here the first time. I didn't, y'all. That's what that is.
Oh, so you didn't take that?
I took it. And I gave for that. You told me to taste this, motherfucker.
I'm watching you now.
Don't watch me.
I need to watch TV, huh?
The first one. Well, we're gonna record them. You trying to get out of this?
You know what? Hold on.
Was the first one who get dressed and ready to go out the door get to pick somebody to take a shot.
Yeah.
And y'all, whoever they pick, got to go outside to the neighbor and say, "Can I have a condom?"
So they taking a shot and asking for a condom.
I think that's success.
Y'all in Puerto Rico. Y'all in Puerto Rico.
I hate being in my fields. I hate $20 bills. We too famous.
That should have been my rule. When you take your shot, if you don't hit nothing, you gotta take another one.
Okay, y'all, so I really haven't had the chance to really update y'all and tell y'all like what's going on, what we doing. None of that. It's just been a long, stressful day. Traveling was a headache this morning. We had to end up booking new flights this morning. Our flight got canceled. It was just whole lot of stuff. So we're finally here. We made it to Puerto Rico about 6:30 p.m. So now we are at the Airbnb. I may give y'all a tour later on, but I got a clip of the room. You probably already seen it. So yeah, we made it to the Airbnb right now. We're getting dressed to go to Old San Juan. I think we're going to like a restaurant or something. Everybody's hungry. We've been drinking already. I'm already feeling good. I'm trying to keep it together. But yeah, so we're getting dressed right now. Yeah. So that's the update. Today is, I don't even think I told y'all what day it was today. What is it? Today is Thursday, August 10th. Right now it is 8:20. Everybody's supposed to be ready by 8:30, so I'm trying to hurry up and rush and do this. So yeah, we're doing the little TikTok where you make up your rule. Everybody have to follow for the whole trip. So one of the rules I remember somebody said, the first person to get dressed and be ready to go, they can hand out a shot to anybody. So they can hand out a shot to anybody, and whoever has to take the shot also has to asked one of the neighbors for a condom, y'all. So I'm trying not to be the last one. I'm trying not to be picked for anything. I think the last person to be ready also has to take a shot. I'm not really sure. I done forgot all the rules, but I'm trying to hurry up and get dressed. So I got 10 minutes. Well, I'm dressed already. Let me turn the camera around. So I'm pretty much dressed. I got on this shirt. I'm trying to decide if I want to like tie it or tuck it in, or I'm still figuring it out. But I got on this shirt. I got on these excuse my clothes, y'all. I just got out the shower. I got on these wide leg camo pants. I'm about to put on my socks and shoes. So yeah, I don't know what I'm about to do to my hair just yet. I don't know. But yeah, this is what I got on. Yeah, Justin finna come in here looking just like me. He won't dress like me, so we're gonna see. But yeah, I'm about to figure out what I'm doing to my hair. I'm not doing any makeup, but I did wash my face because it's hot. I've been sweating, so I need to moisturize my face. I may put on some lashes. I'm not sure because I don't have that much time. So let me get myself together and I'm gonna come back once I'm dressed, once Justin's dressed. I'm gonna show y'all what he got on. And then I'm gonna bring y'all with me to go out tonight. So we're just gonna see what the night brings, what the weekend brings. I'm so excited. I'm happy to be here. Y'all, it's just gonna be a fun-filled weekend. And I'm super excited because honestly, y'all, we needed this vacation. We really did. And last night, well, really this morning, because we didn't get any sleep. I didn't even tell y'all. So after I got my hair done, she finished my hair last night, maybe around like 1:30, 2 a.m. And then she did, I thought somebody was coming in. She finished my hair, then she retwisted Justin's hair. And we still had to pack. Yesterday was so ridiculous. Oh my God. That's why I didn't pick up the camera anymore yesterday, because it was just too much. So yeah, we didn't go to bed until like 4:30 this morning. We got up about 8:30, maybe before that. We had to go get on our flight. So it was just, honestly, I'm beat. I'm tired, but I'm here to have fun. I'm here for a good time, not a long time. So we just gonna thug it out. We're gonna do what we gotta do, and then I'll rest once I get back home. But right now, I'm tired. I'm beat. But whatever, y'all. Let me hurry up and finish before everybody else be dressed before me. And then I'll pick the camera up once we finish getting dressed and we're headed out the door. So I'll see y'all later. All right, y'all, we ready to go. I told y'all he gonna be looking like me.
Yeah, with the dunks on. Yeah. Make sure my dunks right.
All right, y'all, we ready to go.
Let's get it, man. Come on, walk downstairs.
He's so ready to drink, it's sad.
I'm ready to turn up!
Okay, so y'all, we were supposed to be going at 8:30. We done started taking shots, everything. Right now, it is 9:23. So almost an hour late. We about to get ready to go. The Uber is outside. I'm not gonna take my camera because I don't wanna have to keep up with it, and I know me. And how I'm feeling already is only gonna get worse from here. So I'm gonna record on my phone and we'll just let it be that. But we're about to go right now. Yeah, we just went to eat and we made it back to the Airbnb. We all, well, I'm gonna speak for me. I'm tired. Everybody gonna get in the pool and keep drinking. I owe them 4 shots because we played games at the restaurant and I lost 4 times. Well, no, I lost 3 times, but the 4th shot is because I yawned on our way back here because I can't help it. And that was one of the rules. If you yawn, you have to take a shot. So I had 4 shots, and then after that, I'm going to lay down. Justin volunteered me to cook breakfast in the morning, and we have to be ready by 7:30.
Time to have you grab them sheets. That's if you want to. I'm just go.
Like, I ain't trying to be at the beach from 9 or whatever and come back and talk. That's why I still want to kill it.
I know, huh?
Tonight.
You're gonna end up alone. Life is forget. You hear us talking, but don't hear what you say.
Why you searching for what's right in front of you?
You make something so easy, so complicated.
Good morning, y'all. So it's the next morning, Friday, August 11th. It's about 7:05 a.m. I'm in here making breakfast real quick because we're supposed to be leaving at 7:30 to go to all of the excursions for today. So, y'all, last night I had to go to bed. I couldn't make it no more. I was tired. I ain't had no sleep. I went to bed on this, but I'm energized, I'm recharged, and I'm ready today. Yeah, ooh. I don't know what happened last night when we got back, but
Y'all done zip line before?
No, my first time. Talk to me nice.
It's my second day, bro, so.
oh Lord.
Oh, I'm finna get back. I'm gonna go back in the van.
Show Leah.
You ain't lying about this.
These thighs ain't gonna be no good.
So,
Don't say it's fake, same deal. Mira. So this is only for you, so you're just gonna fill this up, sign date, and then this side make a file, and then the
Yeah, I'm a little nervous. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Yeah, he ain't shut up yet. I'm strapped up.
And obviously just remember to take everything out of your pocket.
On site, he'll be keeping an eye on everything, staying here at base camp, also coming out and taking some pictures of us, so make sure you smile for the camera. So that's Ray, and then we have the mountains up there are part of Yunque National Rainforest. It is the only tropical rainforest in the national park system, so super cool. Makes sense, not a lot of tropical islands in the US, but
What you're gonna do is you're gonna sit down on your harness, just like this, and you're gonna be holding on to this bottom carabiner right here with both of your hands, okay? If the gloves are making your hands a little too big and you can't fit the whole thing there, with 2 or 3 fingers is fine, as long as you're just holding on with both hands, because if you only hold with one, you're gonna start spinning pretty much immediately. And even though it's okay, like nothing is going to break, it's just gonna make you go really, really slow, and you might not make it all the way to the end, okay? So make sure you hold on with both. And then the other thing you're gonna do is you're gonna lean back all the way, okay? With your arms as straight as possible, because if you're up here, same thing, you're probably gonna unconsciously pull more with one arm than the other and start spinning. Plus, you'll be sitting.
on this one, I'll be your brake system. I'm just gonna catch you on the other end, okay? So it'll just look like me grabbing your equipment right here, bringing you to the rest of the stop. The platform on the other side does have a ramp. That's so that I can get closer to you.
Alright, next one.
Nice job, stand up right. Nice. There, go ahead and stand up. All right, stand up right there.
Alright.
That's the way. You think he's so cool.
Nice.
Come on, Mike and Ike.
Keep them ones flat.
Uh-oh.
Your next step has a gap. Nice.
Them big feet skip right over.
Long ass legs.
Girl, that's like
Keep
taking
taking one rock at a time.
Right? There's a rock behind your left foot, so just watch out. I just told him. You're here. Nice.
I had to rest.
My damn hand burned.
Ooh, yeah, it's hot. We did 3. I think we got 2 more. This the third one, ain't it?
This is the third one,
Yeah. Ooh, I'm ready to be done with it now. I'm tired. My next one, I'm gonna try to see if I can record
Did you see my legs?
while I'm going. Huh?
See my legs this time?
No, I wasn't looking. It was muddy right there. I was trying to clean my shoes off. The next one, I'm gonna try to record on my phone. You think I can do it coming down?
No.
You don't think so?
No.
I'm gonna try it.
You say you can though?
I don't know. I'm gonna ask.
Yeah, let me show you how to put your hand. Since you're only gonna hold it with one, hold it like this. Like that. Now sit down completely. Sit down first. All the way. Okay, and you're all good.
I'm scared I was gonna drop my phone. Yeah, they done made me put on this life jacket, knowing I'm not getting in nobody water. Not no deep water anyway.
Yeah. So a lot of people think when they see a banana tree that this banana tree is gonna give you endless bananas, and no, it's just gonna give you that brand of banana. And then you see that seed on the bottom. That seed you have to mulch down the tree, and then put that seed on the banana where you put that mulch. And eventually it will grow to another banana. Their face always what?
Hand in front of your
Because
face.
when you slip and fall, the first thing we hit is our faces. And I want you guys to go back home with a pretty face, okay? Everybody has to go home. We're gonna talk to the right hand side.
Lee, you came too fast.
I know it.
Yeah, we done did so many hikes today. I'm tired. Yes, I feel it. Yeah, it's been a day. What time is it? It's like 4:20. We've been out all day and we still got to do ATVs. That's what we're waiting on now. I don't know where Trenton went. But I'm tired.
All I know is I should change.
Yeah, it's on.
Yeah, I'm so slow. Why I thought we was gonna be riding. Look like a bumper car. Yeah, we wore out. I'm so glad this is the last excursion today. I'm ready to go wash my ass and put on some clothes and eat some good food. Cause we've been out all day.
And I need a VC.
You need what?
A VC.
He's still fucked up from last night. But then we starting right over tonight, so he gotta shake back. But we finna start. I gotta put this back on my phone.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. Choco bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did well by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you get talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy and I know that devil. Like the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. I need to go and shadow. 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 I did what I got when them kills over my. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Leggy Bona. Now so much you remake with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young past, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. I need to go and shadow. 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 I need to go and shadow.
Finally done. Today has been a day. Oh, I'm tired. I'm just ready to take a shower. Dirty. I'm ready to take a shower.
Lay it down.
No.
I'm laying.
No, take a shower.
I'm laying it down for about an hour.
No. Get drunk and get dressed. Yeah, I tried to record as much as I can, but it's just been so hard. So I don't know what the footage is looking like, but whatever I got that look decent, y'all gonna see it. So now we about to head back to the Airbnb so we can all get changed up, showered, because it's a mess right now. But it's been a fun day.
Very adventurous.
Very adventurous. Tired and hot, but it's been a lot of fun. And I've been on my phone all day because the camera just wasn't gonna make it in this heat, this water, nothing.
We doing too much. Look at.
I didn't even see it. It looked worse than the camera did. Oh, Dustin. Okay, y'all, I'm finally back. We're back at the Airbnb. I just got the shower. Thank you, Lord, because it's been a long, hot, sweaty day. I haven't really been able to talk on the vlog because we've been moving around so much and doing so much. I haven't even had my camera with me because the water, the dirt, sweat. I just didn't want to have to deal with it. So yeah, right now it's still Friday, August 11th. It's 8:29. We're getting dressed to go to dinner. We have reservations at 9:30. So yeah, I need to get a move on it, do my makeup, get dressed, all of that. So yeah, I just wanted to get on here, update y'all, tell y'all what's going on. Yeah, we trying to pull it together because today has really drained us. Being out in the sun all day long, and then it's still gonna be a long night. we're going to dinner. We're probably going out somewhere. And then once we get back here tonight, we're getting in the pool. Well, for them again. I missed last night, but they want to do it again tonight. So we're getting in the pool. Just gonna kick it, drink, all of that. Tomorrow, we have a boat, and then we have a dinner tomorrow night. So that should be fun. But yeah, I just wanted to get on here, update y'all, tell y'all what's going on. It's been a long day, but it's been very fun, very eventful. So yeah, I'm tired, y'all. I just want to lay down, but I'm not even finna do that. I'm about to start on my makeup so I can get dressed and then take some shots before we leave. That's what I'm about to do. Make everybody take some shots. But yeah, y'all, I just want to lay back and just go to sleep. It's been a long day in the sun. It's been hot. Oh my God. But yeah, I'll be back once I look better, look different. But yeah, I'm about to get off here so I can get a move on it. Okay, so y'all, I'm rushing trying to get out of here. But this is the look for tonight. It's just like a two-piece dress kind of situation. Back out. I wanted to wear heels, but y'all, the way the bottom of my feet hurt from hiking all day, I just can't do it. So I'm rushing to get out of here. I'll see y'all later. Turn it up. Turn it up. Woo! Lynn, come take a shot.
That's too thick. Pause.
Ew. I hate that cold liquor like that. Ugh. Huh? We what? Are we bringing them? No.
Jazz, you come on, because you got 3 shots. They just gave you another. Fuckers.
Come on.
Oh, another one. Open eyes. I gotta get back in the mode. Listen to me, y'all. I was about to go to bed. It was over with for me after the day.
You look like I ain't got no makeup on. Come on.
You look like you ain't got no panties on.
I do.
I won't take them off tonight. That's trash. Yeah, I usually don't even get no chase after I drink my liquor.
We are not apple crown drinkers at all. Especially
Especially
not
when it's
frozen,
cold.
like
What?
ice cold. No.
A choke a beer together. Her favorite beer. She got me drinking them. She been working with them Mexicans too long in Texas.
Yeah, they drink them at my job, and it's just, I like them now. Whew. Boy, you could have finished. Look where he left. Done. All right, y'all, we finna go. I'm not taking my camera because my purse is too small to hold it, and I don't want to have to keep track of it because I plan on getting really drunk. So, and I don't want to leave it here in Puerto Rico. So I'm just gonna record off my phone like I've been doing all day anyway.
So they've been one of them days.
I think I might take my camera tomorrow though.
Oh, you're for the boat?
Yeah, I'm gonna take it tomorrow. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go.
I find why I gave you what you needing. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me something, yes, that I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live what I got. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Say I'm eating mess of my mind. And I'm eating nigga free of my mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say I'm reading together, yeah, day and night.
All right, y'all, we're going to bed. What time is it? What time is it?
3:40.
Yeah, it's 3:40 in the morning. We
What
gotta
time
be
y'all get up?
ready by 8 a.m.
I'm trying to get 7.
Yeah.
Okay.
We gotta be ready by 8 a.m. to go get on the boat in the morning. And I'm supposed to be cooking breakfast again.
I'm gonna tell y'all something.
So I don't know
Trent,
how it's gonna work.
Listen to me. I love celebrating my birthday with Trent, but he doing way too fucking much. I love that
Y'all,
nigga
we
to
had no rest.
Happy birthday to Trent. Trent, we love you, fam. We love you.
Definitely, but
We love you.
I'm ready to get home and sleep all day Monday.
No, all days. When we get home Sunday. All day Sunday because Daja mama gonna have Jace all Sunday. But
I just wiped off my makeup.
Daja said, "My Sherry."
We about to go to bed, but I just wanted to get on here before. And my camera is downstairs, so I'm on my phone. If you can't tell, my camera downstairs, and I cannot go get it. So yeah, I just wanted to get on here and say I'm going to bed.
Lit.
We about to sleep for about 3 hours, 4 hours. Three. About 3 hours, and then get up and do it all over again.
All over again.
So,
y'all, out this whole weekend, we probably got 6 hours of sleep.
Literally.
From Thursday, no, because Thursday was
Wednesday.
From Wednesday.
Because Wednesday we did not get any rest. Well, he got a little bit. He took a nap while I was getting my hair braided.
Facts. Let's add it up. I got about 2 hours then. So we get everything together. We had our flight at 11, but we could barely go to sleep. Do that. We get on the plane.
And we still had to pack after I got my hair done and he got his done.
So 2, I'll just say 2. On the plane, there was no fucking sleep.
Especially not the first flight before the layover. No. It was so much turbulence. You couldn't even really sleep.
And so when we got here, we did not sleep.
As soon as we got here, we got started. Like, it was time. It was go time.
So, and what we did.
They seen, I vlogged.
You got some sleep though.
When? Oh yeah, that was last night?
Night 4 last, really, right now, night 4 last.
I don't know. The first night we got, that was the first night? Yeah.
Thursday.
Yeah, that was the first night we got here. Y'all probably already seen this part, but when we came back from going to eat, everybody went and got in the pool. I had 4 shots I had to take because we was playing a game at the restaurant and I lost. So I came here, I took my 4 shots and I told them I'm going to bed because I needed some rest. I hadn't had no sleep. I could not do nothing. But he stayed up that night. He came to bed almost 4 o'clock in the morning. Then this morning what time I got up? I got up like 6:50. Yeah. It was after 6. I got up and then I took my shower and got dressed and then I woke him up and then that's when everybody else got up.
7. So you looking at, I only had 4 hours of sleep in the last.
And we've been out in the sun all day. It's draining. Y'all,
And
so we feeling good, definitely.
don't get it twisted.
We feeling good, but we're also tired and drained. So
and it's 3:40 in the morning that we just said, and we have to be up by 7 o'clock
again
in the morning because we have to get on the boat in the morning.
So yeah, we have to go to sleep for a few hours, and then we'll see y'all when we get up. Probably once we make it to the boat, honestly, because I don't think I'm gonna record nothing in the morning.
Yes, you are, because we're taking shots before we go
on the boat. Okay, I'll be back in the morning.
Take that goddamn bonnet off.
You don't get rid of the bonnet?
When she sleep.
I tried to hear you go put them biscuits on.
It's not bad at all. And put him in the camera for his birthday. Yeah! Hit it one time. It's cool when they do it. It's a problem when I do it.
Fuck them.
There you go. It's my nigga birthday. So y'all know what time it is. We going up all the way. It's 8 o'clock in the morning and we lit.
Happy birthday, Trent!
Happy birthday, Till! Happy birthday, Justin!
Big Leo energy, okay? Yeah, we made it to the boat. Barely. I'm lit already and it's only. Let's see what time it is. I don't know, my phone. It's 9:45 and I'm all the way up. So it's finna be a time. Oh, it's so dark. I mean, so bright. Okay. So yeah, y'all, it's about to get lit. We started early this morning. No sleep. Barely any sleep. Like 3 hours. So, yeah.
Yeah.
I know you know me too.
I love you.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not fake. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop.
I mean, from the boat. That boat was a mess, y'all. Category is album titles. Nothing was the same.
Acid rap.
Take care.
Dangerous in Love.
No,
The Carter.
She had a self-titled album.
I was good.
And that's what I was going to do.
I said the Carter, so it's on you.
What number? What number?
The Carter.
Okay.
See that from table?
Take a shot.
Take a shot.
I like the easy one.
Okay.
The easy ones is funny.
This is easy. It's easy, but it's hard.
Yeah, it's been so hard to really vlog this trip. I know the footage is probably scattered and just all over the place, but it's been so hard to actually vlog and like talk to y'all because we always have music going. So it's just been hard, but right now I'm getting dressed for the dinner. Somebody else is supposed to be getting dressed, but we just got at the pool. My hair is still a little wet. But we're getting dressed for dinner. It's a chef downstairs cooking. I think they said the menu is lamb chops, lobster tails, risotto. I'm not sure what else, but it's supposed to be all white tonight. I got on this white one-shoulder dress. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm tired, but I'm gonna keep going. I'm still lit from when we was in the pool. We played games, listened to music, a lot of stuff. I'm gonna see if I can insert some footage from the pool. I recorded a little bit, but I'm not sure how much I can use because we did have music going on out there. But I'm still gonna try to include some of that, which you probably already seen if I did include any. But yeah, we chilling right now. Everybody trying to get dressed. Dinner is at 8:30. 8 or 8:30, I'm not sure which one, but it's 7:42 right now. I'm dressed pretty early. I want to put on lashes because I feel like I need to put on lashes, but I don't want to put on lashes because I hate wearing lashes. I lost my edge control. I don't know what I did with it, so my edges are a mess. I've been getting wet today, yesterday. My hair is just barely hanging on, but yeah, we chilling right now. I'm probably about to sit back and edit some of my pictures that I took this weekend. Probably edit my TikTok. Well, some of it, because I still have footage from tonight to put in there. So I may not edit my TikTok until I get home, but just look through the pictures that we took today on the boat. See what I want to post, if I want to post any. So yeah, I'm chilling. I just wanted to get on here to say something because I feel like I haven't really talked to y'all at all in this vlog. It's probably gonna be just a lot of music playing behind stuff, a lot of B-roll montages, because it's just been hard to even vlog for real, like really talk, because it's just been a lot of going back to back. And then when we are chilling and I am able to record on my camera, it's always music playing, so it's just hard. But we're gonna see what it's looking like. I hope it's not too bad. I'm gonna still put it out regardless, but I just hope it's not too bad. I'm trying, y'all. It's just so hard, and then you're trying to live in a moment and enjoy yourself and still record, which I could just sit the camera up and just record just what we're doing, but I feel like that's kind of I mean, it's especially for a complete vlog to just sit the camera down and just record. I want to talk to y'all, but it's just so hard, and I've been lit the whole trip. I'm lit right now, so I'm trying. I'm trying, and I'm hanging on by a thread. So yeah, he sleep. But yeah, y'all, I just wanted to get on here and update y'all. Today is Saturday, if I didn't say that earlier. It's Saturday night to be exact. Yeah, we chilling. We just got the pool. we had a good time in the pool. We played games, and it was a good time. And we were supposed to go out tonight after we have dinner, but I don't think we are. We just said we was gonna sit around the house, play games, drink, get back in the pool, because it's really a vibe out there for real. Oh, recap of last night. So we had a booth, a section, which really wasn't a section at the club last night. When we first made it to the club, the music was on point, the club was lit, everybody was lit, it was good. But once we got to the section, it was just like 2 benches. And there was a small like end table in between the 2 benches. It was like, it wasn't sectioned off at all. It was no table in front of us. Like, it just wasn't my type of, not what I'm used to as far as a section. The music was good at first, but then like after maybe 3 or 4 songs, once we got there, it just went to music that's just not my vibe. The people were not my vibe. The whole atmosphere was just not for me. So we ended up leaving pretty early. We had a bottle, drunk that fast, and we left. Came back to the house, played a couple games, and then we all went to bed so that we could be well rested for the boat this morning. But we still didn't go to bed till like 3:30 in the morning. So yeah, no rest this trip. I'm enjoying myself. I'm having a good time though. I'm glad I came. So yeah, we can rest when we get home. It's definitely needed. We haven't went on a vacation since Gatlinburg, and that was for the new year. So I'm glad I ended up coming, because it was just so much stuff going on the night before we left into the morning that we left. I was like, forget it, whatever. But I'm glad we came. We've been having a good time, a great time. And if you can't tell by this video, then I'm sorry. I'm doing my best. I'm trying. So yeah, I just wanted to get on here and talk. I'm about to wake him up in a few, but I'm about to sit here and chill for a second, because I said I wasn't gonna do no makeup at all tonight since the chef is here and we're not going nowhere. But I know we're gonna take pictures because everybody's wearing the all white, so I wanted to look a little bit decent. So I did a little makeup. My eyebrows look horrible. The lighting in this whole Airbnb is terrible. Like, it's dark everywhere. It's hard to even see in the mirror to even do your makeup. So that's my excuse. My eyebrows, what the fuck, are completely different. This one is, I don't know, I'm finna fix it. I'm gonna fix it, but I'm about to chill for a minute, about 10-15 minutes, and then I'm gonna go downstairs, see what everybody else is doing, see what time we're supposed to be eating, because I'm hungry. So yeah, I just wanted to get on here and talk to y'all and just say hey, because I have not, I'm on Instagram, y'all, I'm sorry. I just wanted to get on here and say hey, because I feel like I have not talked to y'all really none. I've been recording on my phone a lot because it's hard to take my camera with me. For one, because I've been having small bags, and then 2, I've been lit, and I didn't want to try to keep up with the camera, because I know me, and I'll sit it down and just leave it, and I don't have time for that. So yeah, it's been a lot of footage on my phone, and I'm sorry if it looked terrible. But yeah, y'all, I've just been having a time. Having a time in Puerto Rico. So yeah, I'm about to finish getting dressed, lotioning up, and all of that. And then I'll be back once it's time to eat, because I'm starving.
Already if you gotta leave somebody.
Alright, y'all, it's Sunday morning, like 9:45. We packed up, we got everything out of here, and we're getting ready to go downstairs for a minute, sit around, and we're gonna try to head to the airport about 10:30. Yeah, our flight leave at 11:30, I think, and I don't want to go to the airport super early because I hate it. So yeah, we head out, y'all. I'm still tired. This is the latest we done slept in since we've been here, and we got up this morning about 8:45, 9 o'clock. I'm not sure, but yeah, everybody's tired. Everybody's wore out. I'm just ready to get home, get some rest, and see my baby. Yeah, I'm done. This trip was so much fun. I enjoyed it so much. One of my favorite trips, honestly. But yeah, grandma gotta lay down. I gotta catch up on some rest. I'm off work tomorrow. Thank God I took off. So tomorrow is just gonna be a rest day. And yeah. So I'm gonna probably end the vlog here because it's not really much more to see. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm not sure what the footage is looking like, but I hope it's decent enough to watch, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all can understand why it was so hard to record a lot of stuff. I tried to get clips of everything. I tried to get as much as I can, but it was just kind of hard with the activities that we were doing. But I hope the video was still enjoyable. Be sure to like this video, leave a comment, tell me what you liked about the video, what you didn't like about the video. It don't even matter. Just leave a comment, like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I promise to be more consistent. Now that my camera's working, I can edit it, I can put it out. Life is still lifing, but I want to record more videos, y'all, so I promise to do that. But yeah, time to go home, y'all. I'm so ready to go home. See you in the next video.
Sandwich, do you mind if I share a little sandwich? I'm pulling up, baby, tell me if you're fine with it. I'm letting everybody know that you're mine with it. Baby, I just wanna talk to you.